Hey guys, so you're finally here. We are sitting down. Jens is now excited to go the other side.
Nee,
Nee, baby.
Niet de spinnen. Jens, spinnen. Gevaarlijke spinnen zitten hier.
Yeah.
Hap. Hap.
So I'm just gonna prepare our lunch and I will see you later, guys. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye. Yeah, we're coming. Hi guys, good morning. It's a sunny day. Welcome to our channel. Today we are gonna be walking in the woods of Castrico. So that's 12 kilometers away. Yes, baby. Oh, there's a moon. Oh yeah, there's a moon indeed. So it's about 14 kilometers away. We packed our stuff for lunch and some drinks, so we're all set. So it's not normal in this time of year, guys, to have a temperature of 14 degrees in November. Yeah, Papa? Around this time, yeah, it's very cold already, probably 4 or 5 degrees. But it's warm, but that's not so bad. I like it. Then we can do activities like this. Yeah.
Yes!
What is he doing?
Nee, doe niks. Wel aan blazen.
Nee, Jens. Niet doen.
Vasthouden, morgen niet openen. Je bent kwijt.
Huh? The cat is over? Oh. One thing I should say, biking in the autumn or nearing winter, is that it feels good in the sun because it's cold at the same time. And it's so different biking during the summer because you're sweating like crazy. And yeah, it's not comfortable, but right now, like, I could bike endless. It's okay because it's cold. Right, Papa?
Ja. Beter.
So yeah. And yes, he loves to be on the bike and traveling long journeys. So that's also an advantage. He's gonna be playing in the forest later, and on the way home he'll be sleeping for sure. I've always wondered how it is to be cycling in Norway with those beautiful sceneries around you, but it's not flat like here, so it must be so hard biking there. Yeah, Papa, I can't imagine biking and you have to go up and down.
No, you don't go biking there.
Yeah, but I've seen somebody.
They're young.
They're young, and you are? You're not young.
Dan that, seen it.
You don't go biking? Okay, so we're just gonna go. Oh, we did already a road trip 2 years ago when Jens was 1 year old, and yeah, that was fun. Plus Jens as well is such a good sport when we travel because he always does in rhythm. Like if he poops, it's always in the evening or early in the morning. So it never happens that we have accidents in between, that we have to clean him up, because he does it in the morning or in the evening, as I said. So that's also a great thing traveling with him. There's our normal train. Woo. Is Yen sleeping?
No.
Oh, he's he's a little quiet, because it's normally his sleeping time. Yeah. Fish and poop, he said. So we are now in Castricum, guys, or at least outside, a few meters of outside Castricum, and then we go along the shops, and then the train, and then from there we cross. We're gonna go to the forest. Wow, what more, yeah? What more? What more? Tree and a bone. Yes, you tree bone. That's double, huh? You have a tree and you have a bone. Look, what the pretty doggy stuff. So pretty. So pretty. The dog, I dreams. Pretty dog. Yeah. Wow, so more. Ooh. Mama has a... Huh? What is it? It's a fish. There's a fish. Oh, what more? Palangga.
Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar.
Ah?
Another glass of
Just Papa there. Papa.
makes me laugh.
There is
The
Papa.
irony of everything.
There is Papa. Opa is both, no?
I like the way
Is it Opa is
I don't
both?
really care about the music
Opa's
on
need
the
both, yan.
dance floor.
I sit alone, I sleep both.
All the smoke is in the bathroom. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention.
What's... Which one?
So you say
These? There are three trees. Ne? Oh, it's Oma. Oh no. I didn't see Oma there. Now we have to go. Oh no, all the leaves has fallen. There's no more orange.
Hi, Mama.
Yeah, baby. What do I... Oh yeah. That's not a duck, baby. Those are swan. Swan. Look at the kids, Palangga. Oh, they are in school. Hey, kids? They're in school. They're playing. They're having lunch. Hi, guys. So we're now in the city center. JP is leading the way because he knows better than I do. He knows the way. This is where he grew up.
Time for Christmas.
Yeah, Oma and Opa.
And
Yes, right,
Christmas
baby.
is
That's
my
right.
favorite time
Yeah,
of
Oma and Opa
year.
is here.
It's beginning to look like all my wishes are
Yeah.
coming true. That's why
There's
I
Oma and
cheer.
Opa, huh?
I've been busy decking the halls.
There's
I've
Oma
been
and
kind
Opa,
to
huh?
big and small. And now it's time to have a merry holiday. What a feeling when it's time for Christmas. Let's
Yeah.
sing a carol
Yeah, those
and
are
we'll
cars.
bring it here.
They belong to these people here.
I guess that spring and summer, they're all fine. But I've been waiting
Can
for
you count the cars?
season
How many
that's
cars? Can you count?
mine. So let it come
You don't want?
You
The
let
car
it
is
go.
wet. Nate, this is on dark. They're not gone. Yeah? Now the Opa is in a hurry.
I can
Oh,
see the
hurry, palangga.
snowflakes fall. I can hear the sleigh bells call. They're saying it's time to have a merry holiday.
Riding.
What a feeling.
We
Now
are
it's
almost
time
here.
for Christmas. And Christmas is my favorite time of year. It's beginning to look like all my wishes are coming true. That's why
Yeah, baby.
I cheer. I've been busy decking the halls.
Are you
I've been
tired,
kind to big
Palangga?
and small. And now it's time to have a merry holiday. What a feeling when it's time for Christmas. Let's sing a carol and we'll bring it here. Let's sing a carol and we'll bring it here. Let's sing a carol and
That's
we'll
not
bring
Oma and
it
Opa. Nee. They live somewhere. They don't live here. Yeah. We sleeping. You're sleeping? You can't meet that. You're gonna sleep? Are you sleeping? Okay, we are almost in the forest. Yen can run around.
This is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start.
These are big trees.
I missed you, so I'm letting go.
Yeah, they are big.
Everything but you.
They're huge.
These are the
Humongous.
good times with you.
Wow.
Baby, this year
Yeah,
it's just
amazing
gonna be
indeed.
you and me. Hang by the fire and chill.
Yeah, amazing
Isn't this how
trees.
it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and
Yeah.
I've been longing
They're
for
amazing
you.
trees.
Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh,
There's a slack. It's the paint slack palangga. Where's the slack? Oh yeah?
Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you.
I'm hungry
I've been hanging
because I haven't eaten breakfast. I only had water and a bit of smoothie.
And when we wake
Very
up in
hungry.
the morning,
I'm gonna eat two pieces of bread.
we'll be singing all the
Yes.
melodies until the sun comes up.
So we're now passing by the train station.
Baby, this year
More than 3 years ago, I brought my friend Eileen here when I was still pregnant.
Isn't this how
Where's
it's
the Halloween?
supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and
Halloween, this is Halloween, Halloween, Halloween.
He
He loves to sing that song.
Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Around this area, there's a restaurant for the. There's a restaurant that is served by children with special needs. So my sister-in-law, Jens, Wakiva. Okay. Yeah, that's the San Castel. So she brought me on that restaurant where special children are serving at. So they let them work. Yeah, baby. Okay, there's a San Castel palangga. Okay. So they give them the opportunity to work, and too bad they're closed, of course, right now. So would have been nice to go there and have lunch. We brought our own lunch anyway, so that's fine. Let's go. What more, baby kain? Papa, you need to lead the way. I know the way, really? Wow. Moet ik hier naartoe? Of hier? Uitgezonderd fietsen en vergroeninghouders.
Dat betekent altijd.
Ja.
Altijd.
Monster. You're crazy, baby. There's a monster. There's no monster here. There's only people with their dogs. Wow. See? Look at that, baby. There's some horses. Yeah, that's a stable where the horses are. Ooh. Oh no! Okay, it is more, yeah? Ay, ay, ay. Ooh. Ooh. What more is that, baby? Ooh. No one is here, huh? It's just us? Wow. It's just Mama and Jens and people jogging. Yes.
Hello,
It smells like a
I can't
horse
shake the
poop here.
simplest feeling beyond.
So, you think we're gonna sit here, Papa?
We stand on the opposite shore. Hello,
Okay, Papa said no.
I reach through mysterious sea.
Yeah, Papa said no.
I look for
Yeah.
things I don't.
Yeah. Hello.
All in this.
You know, if the restaurants were open, we would have been having lunch in one of the restaurants here. But too bad, restaurants are closed and cafes are closed until December.
I stand alone. Show me where the ending goes. Honestly don't. I should be the last to know.
Wow, so moy palangga. Yeah, trees. Those are trees.
Hello.
Anyway, by doing so, they really see the good improvement with the infection, because it really went down.
I guess you always
Because no cafes and restaurants are open, and then they stop serving alcohol in any grocery stores up to 8. And the only restaurants that are open are the ones in the hotel, open for hotel guests only. So those are the only ones open. Huh? Oh, and also takeaway. So that one is also open. So you can order online, which is what people are doing now. Yes, baby. What do I see, baby? I don't see anything. I'm not sure how many kilometers of forest is this one. I'll have to check later on Google. But the whole area is a water reserve, so we get their purified water from here. I have to check. Now we are looking for spot where we can sit and have lunch. Yeah, baby. Okay, yes. Oh, you can see. Oh, I'm doing like this. Now you can see. Yeah. Wait lang, I'm looking for a table and a chair where we can sit down, yeah? And you can run around, okay? Mama and Papa can eat. And you can drink your favorite smoothie. Good? Yeah?
Donker.
It's donker. It's niet donker. Kijk eens. Now, where is this chair? What's this? Come on, come on. Show us the chair so we can sit down. Papa, I don't know the way, coming back. I will get lost. Rechtsaf? Niet linksaf? Okay. Okay. It's fine. We can go back anyways. Uy, where is this now? Yeah? No. We could have stayed in the forest, Papa. Now there's no forest here, right? I said there's no forest here anymore. Yeah? Okay.
Hier de weg, moet je hier blijven.
We actually brought our winter yes for nothing, because it's if you're on a bike it's so warm, and here it's not so cold as well. So I thought it's gonna be cold because there are a lot of trees, but it's nice. It's not so cold. What is that, baby? What is kapot? Oh, okay. Nee. Oh, nee. Okay, Mama's gonna clean it up. Okay, wacht even. Hey guys, so we have finished our lunch and now we are just relaxing here. It's actually a very, very nice area. I love it. Yeah.
Wat doen die eens? Poep? Hoezo? Kom je daarbij?
Die komt dan bij die boerderij uit, zeg maar.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I
Nee, nee, hè?
will ever figure
Dat mag niet,
out
baby.
where the road goes.
Zand.
Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs.
Unfortunately, we found some sandpit here. And of course, he's now playing in the sand.
Even if the sky
He
is
wished
falling
that Kai was
down.
here, but Kai is kinkromini, ergens. Kai is also playing. I think we need to remove
Jumping from
it.
cliffs so high.
I found a nice spot where I can sit down and watch over Jens playing with the sandpit.
Sometimes
And
we're
now he's
crashing
just
down,
rolling on the sandpit.
but we get up and start from the ground. And
He's gonna come out very dirty. Good thing, Papa, good thing I always bring extra, so I'll have to change him. Yeah, because the whole thing is gonna get dirty. He's laying down on the sandpit down.
You can say I lost my mind. I will
Oh my
keep on
goodness.
holding my head high. Even if the sky is
So,
falling down.
We are facing the sun, so it's very
The
nice.
sky is falling down. The sky is falling down.
You know, I never would have thought that JP and I will be walking in this area together again, but with Jens around. I mean, we always wanted a baby ever since we were together in 2012, but you know, we never really actually, you know, the feeling of having him is different than thinking about it. So it's nice.
Geen zand op papa gooien.
And although we wished we could add one more, it's just that the timing, financial, and yeah, our age, I don't think we can handle one more, even if we want to. So we'll just have to be happy with one. It's such a shame, you know. It's nice to have two. We always talk about it. We always, you know, think, but I don't think I can I can survive with having one, especially the delivery part. It hurts a lot, like there's no tomorrow anymore. And then the starting from again from day one when they're a baby and you know, all those sleepless nights, 48 hours, 24 hours not sleeping, those kind of stuff, I don't think we can survive. Now we are having the time of our life, so you know, just random thoughts. Hey guys, how are you there? Why do Jens? Do everyone? Hey, do allemaal? Oh my goodness. Hey, do allemaal? Oh my god. Bye guys, we're gonna go on our way now. He's eating the apple like crazy. Bye, Papa. Okay guys, that's the end of our day in the forest. We're now on our way home. So, depending on how tired I am, we'll probably take the train from Outhays to Ascendel. Our baby is eating apple there. Say hi! Hello! Huh? Lekker apple? Lekker apple? Hi guys! So we are at the end of our forest trip. If this is your first time visiting our channel, please don't forget to click that like and that subscribe button if you support our content. That would be awesome. Anyway, we're gonna take probably the train from Outhays to Ascendel, but from here to Outhays we're gonna bike, so that's about 7 kilometers. So I think that is doable still. I'm not too tired. Or maybe we're gonna bike all the way. Let's see.